Men's running kimono. So this is the Walgreens preview for the week of May the 22nd to the 28th. So lots of fabulous deals, a couple freebies, a couple cheapies, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And this week is leading right smack dab into Memorial Day weekend, and we'll talk about that at the very end of the video. So I did get 2 boosters this morning, which is Friday the 20th. So I got this 15 back when you spend 60 and the 5 back when you spend 20. Look for these at the top of your digital coupons folder, and always your mileage may vary if you may or may not receive it. Couple rules for you. It's only valid from the 22nd to the 28th. It is of a one-time use. Yes, you can stack 1 paper and 1 digital booster together. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. For the balance, I encourage you to use your credit card, debit card, or bills to pay down the balance, just to make sure that everything works out in your favor. Got this, which is kind of interesting. Earn $15 in Walgreens cash on your RX fill. So if you have a prescription at a different pharmacy, or if you have a new prescription, this might be something to consider. $15 of Walgreens cash is nothing to sneeze at. Next 3 deals that we're looking at are all deals of the week. So if you wish to do all 3, please do them in separate transactions so the register reward will print for you. The first one is for some free shampoo, the Garnier Fructis. Make sure you're grabbing Fructis, not whole blends. 2 for $7. We have a digital 3 off of 2. And then get a $4 register reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 for $7, subtracting that digital coupon that is loadable on Sunday, you're paying $4, getting back a $4 register reward that equals to free. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward. The next deal that we have is on the Banana Boat or Hawaiian Tropic, $4 register reward when you buy 2. The deal, guys, we've been getting really high value digital coupons for both Hawaiian Tropic and Banana Boat. So we have a $4 and a $3.50, and it is your choice if you like Banana Boat or Hawaiian Tropic. I kind of like Banana Boat better, but it's probably the same company. Grabbing 2 of them for $16 on the nose, subtracting $7.50 in digital coupons, you're paying $8.50 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $4.50 for the 2, or $2.25 per can of spray or lotion, whatever you're buying. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster, and triple check IBOTTA and the different rebates in case there might be a rebate for this. I don't see anything right now, but as the week progresses, perhaps there might be one, and you have 7 days post to upload a receipt to IBOTTA. Now, I sure would love to see a digital coupon for Crest, but all the ones that we have are expiring, so we're going to have to triple check on Sunday morning. I'm not paying $1 per tube of toothpaste, so we'll have to wait and see what this one provides. Okay, now we're at the Dove bath, so body wash, or the baby care. Buy 2 of these, get back a $4 register reward, and it says there's a $2 digital coupon, so grabbing 2 for $14. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $12 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per body wash. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, you're doing this deal without a booster, absolutely go for it. This is a future curbside Steelio. It's going to be a great deal. Load this $2 off of 2 Hallmark digital coupon. As you can see to the right, it says there's a shoebox dollar, that teal looking card. Buy 2 of those with that digital coupon. I think it's going to be a curbside only. It'll be free. I've never really had luck in store with this because the cards are usually a little bit more. But as a curbside pickup, that's looking like 2 free cards to me. So load this digital coupon at the very least. And we'll talk about this next week. Over on your Checkout 51 account, there's this very goofy rebate for 38 cents back for a Baby Ruth. And if you look at the very bottom of qualifying stores, Walgreens is there. And the 1.9 ouncer is 99 cents. Subtracting that rebate from Checkout 51, it's 61 cents per Baby Ruth. What a deal. Well, the parents out there, 2 for $20 for the Pampers when it's usually $13.99 per bag. My goodness, those prices. Does it make you want to cry? It makes me want to cry. Okay, so grab 2 of them for $20. Now, if you might have this booster, let's throw it into the mix because diapers are so crazy expensive right now in this moment. I think it's a very smart use of this if you might have it. Grabbing 2 of the bags for $20 on the nose. There's a 3 off of 2 digital. There's for a whole host of them, everything from like the cruisers to the baby ones. So just look what you might have. Have your booster loaded. You'll pay $17 with your debit card. Get back a $5 register reward for buying 2. $5 in Walgreens cash for your booster, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per bag. Let's remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as you're doing this with a booster. Okay, so this next deal is back. Is 2 for $10 for the soft soap or Irish Spring. There's going to be a $1 digital coupon and then earn a $5 reward when you purchase 2. So grabbing 2 of them for $10, subtracting that 1 digital coupon, you're paying $9, getting back a $5 register reward. It makes it $4 for the 2 or $2 per body wash. Now, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward. Is there going to be a $1 for both the Irish Spring and soft soap? If in fact there is, it's an extra $1 of savings to this, but we will not know till Sunday morning. Okay, now the more fancy Colgate toothpaste at $3.99. Buy 2 of them. We have a 4 off of 2 digital starting on Sunday morning, and then earn a $4 cash reward when you buy 2. So that seems like free to me. So grabbing 2 of them for $7.98, subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, that will be showing up on Sunday morning. You're paying $3.98 out of pocket. Getting back a $4 register reward or Walgreens cash, whichever one it is. It makes it free. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. Yes, you can do it in this scenario as long as you're not doing it with a booster. Now the Max Fresh, which is the cheaper of the two, $2.99, and there's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital, and then earn a $3 register reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of them for $5.98, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $2.98 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward that equals to free. And it is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Spend it to earn that register reward. Okay, now we're just going to do some stuff in rapid fire. $5 for the Scott. There's a $1.25 IVC, and there's still a $1 digital coupon that's valid till the end of the month. So it'd make this $2.75. I still haven't used mine, so I don't know what my problem is, but $2.75 for some toilet paper, that's winning. What a great price point. The All Snuggle These Good products at $3.99. On Sunday morning, there's going to be a $1.50 digital, dropping this down to $2.49. Now, just to let you know, there were some IBOTTA rebates, but those have since vanished, but still keep checking. You never know. Maybe something will pop up. Maybe it won't, but it never hurts to check. And the Palmolive, this is the 20-ouncer, which is the Big Daddy for $2.49. We have a $1 digital coupon, so it'll drop this 20-ouncer down to $1.49 if you love Palmolive dish soap. Also, the Tide Simply, this is $3.49. We have a 50-cent coupon, so it would drop this detergent down to $2.99, which is not a bad price point. Friends, let's jog through some honorable mentions. If you're a newer couponer, or if you know the value of Dawn, it's 99 cents. This is a really, really good price point. I would use some Walgreens cash or maybe a store register reward or whatever you might have and stock up on this when it's 99 cents. It's usually like $1.39, and this really cuts grease beautifully. It is a favorite in my household. The 3 for $6 for the Lay's chips. With the Memorial Day weekend, it's $2 a bag. When they're usually $4.09, this is the summer stock up. I would go and buy a bunch. We have the sodas, 3 for $11.99 for the Coke. And for Mr. Pepsi, it's buy 2, get 1 for free. So what great deals. More food, 2 for $5 for the Doritos when a bag is usually $4.79. That is a really good deal. 2 for $6 for the Tostitos, all the different chippy chips and the delicious stuff. Time to stock up. And the adult beverages with Memorial Day weekend, a lot of these manufacturers are like, hey, come and buy your stuff at Walgreens. You purchase it, and then after you get your receipt, something will come out of the Catalina machine. You send your receipt along with the pertinent information of your purchase to the manufacturer, and you'll get like a $5 check or a prepaid Visa card, and it's once per household for these beverages. And more food, 2 for $4 for those Lunchables if you can find them. BOGO free for the hot dogs. Just cookout sort of foods and ice cream to go with. They're really trying to cater to people who are going to be cooking out for Memorial Day weekend. And then 3 for $9.99. That is the deal of the week for soda. And then $2.29 for 6 to 10 ounce bags of mixed nuts. Not a bad little snack to take with you when you go couponing. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.